In this video, we'll demonstrate how to download ChatGPT on your iPhone. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to download ChatGPT on iPhone, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Downloading ChatGPT on your iPhone is a straightforward process. Here's what you need to do. Open the App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar at the bottom, type ChatGPT and hit Search. Scroll down to find the official app developed by OpenAI, the creators of ChatGPT. It will be labeled ChatGPT, OpenAI. Tap on it, then tap Get to install the app. Although the app mentions in-app purchases, the installation itself is free. Once it's installed, open the app. You'll be prompted to either sign up with your email or log in if you already have an account. Follow the steps to create an account if you're new, or log in if you're an existing user. After logging in, you'll be able to interact directly with ChatGPT on your iPhone, typing in prompts and receiving responses. That's how easy it is to download and access ChatGPT on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more informative content. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more tutorials like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future uploads. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.